Welcome, Vlogmas Day 6. There was a lot happening today, but none of it was really that interesting. Filming-wise, none of it's that interesting to watch. I was going to say I didn't get a lot done, but I got a ton completed. But it's all the exact same thing. Not very interesting to watch. I will include the footage, of one or two, a couple of notes, but it's not very interesting to watch again and again and again. It wasn't very interesting to do again and again and again. But I got all of my mats, casserole pot holder mats for my bee ladies. All of them bound. Thank you so much, Kim, for helping me get this project underway. I would not have been able to do this without you. Okay, you've heard me talk a lot about batching tasks, and that's what I'm doing right now. I did all the red, and now I'm gonna do all of these by color, one step at a time. Do all of one step, then all of the next step. But I also want to show you this. This is what my floor looks like. Batch this task too. Make one big mess and clean it up all at once. I can't stand all those little bits to be up on my desk, so I just knock them on the floor, and, that's what the broom is for. So, what I thought I'd do is I would answer just a few questions. These are not the Ask Me Anything questions. These are questions I get really often. The number one question I get anytime I show my scraps or how I sort things is about this bin. This bin right here is the large plastic storage bin with handles from the Container Store. I think it runs about $6.99, maybe not even that much. Maybe it's less than that. They're inexpensive. They come in some cute colors. I like the clear because I wanted to see the colors of the fabric, but they come in some cute colors, and I will link it below. They're great. You can buy them by the case. That's the question I get asked most often, is where I get those bins. They also come in different sizes, but I got the Mondo ones because I have a lot of scraps. I have my notes here, so forgive me if I look down. I had forgotten to link Hannah's videos at the top of the description box yesterday. They're there now. Thank you for all those who reminded me. They are fantastic. I really do hope you'll go watch. But they're linked now in December 5th's video. My giraffe panel. Dragonflies by Donna. Donna, you asked me for this, and I thought I knew where that card was. I knew I had it. I thought I could find it, and I thought it was in that, from day one, that big box of crap that I have to deal with later. I could have sworn it was in there. And it wasn't. I went through it again and again and again, and it wasn't. But then I remembered. I wore my lanyard name tag. It's got a little pocket. It's got a little pocket, and I kept my business cards in there to hand out, and I kept tucking other people's business cards in there. And I found it. The light's gonna change. I will link this below. I will also read it out here. It is Motherland Fabrics. Motherlandfabric.com. That's where I got my giraffe panel, and I hope you can buy that online. I haven't actually gone to their website to check it, but I think that is a good start. So thank you so much, Donna, for reminding me that I needed to get that information to you. Another question that I get asked very often is about this little red doohickey on my sewing machine. That is called a scissors holster. Scissor holster. I'll link it down below. It's great. My snips stay in there. Generally a larger pair of scissors stays in there, but they've wandered off. This is what happens when you have to share your space with other people. Things wander off, but I don't think I'd change it. I would have them bring things back, but I wouldn't change the sharing. It's called the scissor holster. You can get it on Amazon, and the people are fantastic. The people who run that company, they're just fantastic. I see them at market when I go, and they're just, I like to do business with small companies that are doing really innovative things. They have a new one out this year that I did not pick up and I haven't seen on Amazon, but I will also link their website. The new one has a little cylindrical piece on the side along with the two little slots that you can put scissors in. It's got a piece that's like shaped like a straw that you can put your stiletto or your seam ripper in. Very valuable addition. So everything always linked below. I got a comment, and I didn't write down your name, I am so sorry, about the seam rippers and about not wanting to invest in a fancy seam ripper because the blades get dull. The blades do get dull, but you can replace this piece. So this one comes in like that. It just turns around to fit in. And this you can buy for less than $10 to replace it. And they are sturdier than the little plastic ones. Now, maybe not than that Clover seam ripper. That guy is a workhorse. It's my favorite by far, second to this. I was reading through the comments about your gifts and your ideal gifts and what you would like. So much fun. You guys get down in the comments. You already are. You're talking to each other and encouraging one another, and I love it. But there's some really good ideas down there. Elizabeth left what I thought was a great idea. Elizabeth treated herself or was gifted long arm lessons at her local quilt shop. So now she can go and use their long arm and get her quilts done how she wants them at a fraction of the cost of someone else quilting them. So I thought that was a fantastic investment in time and skill. Wanted to pass that along. Super exciting for me. I got a new red lipstick. This is the RMS Ruby Moon Serum Red Lipstick. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. I like the color. I'm just not sure how I feel about it. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments what you think. I kind of think I should go back to my standard Gucci red, but it's so expensive. But I use it and I love it, and I think it might be worth the splurge. I am still in binding purgatory. I probably will be for quite some time. I've gotten one long edge of the Anne of Green Gables quilt bound, and I've got the 3 remaining sides to bind on that, and then I'll get another quilt on the long arm, off the long arm, ready to bind. It's shampoo or wet hair, lather, rinse, repeat. Yes, on a loop, on a loop. But that's how quilting is, and I kind of like the treadmill aspect of that. My weekend update will be up tomorrow. I have guests this weekend, and we are going to be doing some fun Christmassy things. So I will take you along with that, and we'll see what there is to see. I got a new vlogging camera. I'll insert footage. Okay, it's gonna be noisy because life's going on right now in my house, but I got a new toy and I'm too excited, and I want to open it and show you. Cut this off camera because people get upset if I drag the knife toward my hand. Look what I got. I got a new vlogging camera. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. That's my dogs. This is my life. It's loud at my house. I can't wait to get into this. Hang on. Toby, come around and get on camera. You're lurking in the shadows. He's so excited. He likes new toys as well, so. Missy is very upset that she's in her crate.
If all goes well, Missy will have a new toy as well.
Oh, the dogs like to eat the boxes.
Should I show you something?
No.
Massive bag of silica gel.
But you are on audio. Okay. Battery. Here's the camera. Look, guys, look how teeny it is. No, that's the mic. There's the camera. Look how tiny it is. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you. You'll see it on the next vlog because it will be what I'm using. I'm super excited about it. Now I have to go and get a new SD card, micro SD card, because the one that I have is too slow to work with the camera. We're off to do that and off to have some, probably get some tacos. It's Texas. Where do you want to get tacos tonight? That's all I've got today. It was a lot of again and again monotony, but I got a lot done. I got 10 of those mats bound, and I got a quilt finished and another one hand binding well underway. So I'm feeling good about that. I'm going to spend some time hand quilting tonight and probably doing some more binding just to slow down. I hope you've had a great first week of December and that you're not letting the external busyness of the season fluster your spirit. I hope you're staying calm and really allowing yourself to enjoy this beautiful season. The weather here this weekend is supposed to be cold, Texas cold, which means it's going to be, below 50 and drizzly and really moody. So we'll see what the weekend brings. Tomorrow's my weekend update, and I'll share and show pictures of all of the things that I've completed and let you know where I'm going for the week. And I will see you then. Please, please never forget that you make the world more beautiful just by being in it. I'm Amy, and I'll see you next time.